Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. You guys remember my last video? I painted my 300ZX brakes, and I was actually thinking about doing like a different color on the Nissan logo here, and I think I wanted to paint it over just the Nissan part today. So yeah, we're gonna get right in this video of painting over the Nissan logo. So yeah, let's get right in. So today, normally I think I wanna mask it and then paint it with white or something like that, but today I'm kind of lazy, and I know that I'm going to paint it over it with a different color or the same color, but do it right eventually. So I do not want to spend too much time or too much energy trying to make it really nice, and it's honestly really tedious to go one by one on these words. So I'm actually gonna use these hobby color. This is for like model cars, like this the model car paint from Japan. I bought this when I was in Japan. It's a color silver. This has a similar ingredients as a normal paint, but instead you would apply with brush. So yes, I do have a brush ready to go as well. So I'm gonna try, paint this silver nicely. Yeah, hopefully this come out nice. Honestly, yeah, like I said, I'm not going to spend too much time trying to make it nice. So we're just gonna go really quickly, and hopefully it goes well. Alright guys, I just painted the letters. To be real honest, it does not look good at all. Part of me feel like I kind of ruined this caliper, but like I said, when I'm gonna be overhauling it and rebuilding it, I have to take all this paint off anyways. So I mean, as a fun experiment, I think it was really good. I don't know if I like it, but you know, that's how it's be sometimes. You just gotta experiment it a little bit and see if you like it or not. But yeah, otherwise I think it was a really good experience and trying out new thing and challenge myself to a different type of work. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. It was cool. But yeah, with that being said, that's it for today's video. I know it was probably short, but yeah, it was a simple experiment. So yeah, anyway, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow all my social media, and peace out.